Welcome students, today's topic is unit number 9, which is poem equipment. Today we will do stanza paraphrasing of this poem, class 10, subject English. Now coming to stanza number 1, figure it out for yourself, my lad. You have all that the greatest of men have had: two arms, two hands, two legs, two eyes, and a brain to use if you would be wise. With this equipment they all began, so start for the top and say I can. So paraphrasing of it, my son, you should understand that you have been gifted with the same equipments which God has granted to the greatest of men. अजीम लोगों को जो साजो सामान दिया गया था, जो इक्विपमेंट दिया गया था, उस वो भी अल्लाह ने तुमको भी उसी से नवाजा है. यू हैव टू आर्म्स, टू हैंड्स, टू लेग्स, टू आइज़ एंड अ ब्रेन जस्ट लाइक दैम. You can achieve greatness if you use these organs wisely. You can achieve greatness, तुम अज़मत हासिल कर सकते हो, बड़ाई हासिल कर सकते हो. If you use these organs, अगर तुम इन अज़ा का अक्लमंदी से इस्तेमाल करो. The great men started their journey with the same equipments which you have. You can reach your destination if you start proceeding towards it with a strong willpower. Strong willpower, पुख्ता अज़म के साथ. सो यू कैन रीच योर डेस्टिनेशन, तुम अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंच सकते हो. इफ़ यू स्टार्ट प्रोसीडिंग, अगर तुम आगे बढ़ो, टूवर्ड्स इट विद अ स्ट्रॉन्ग विल पावर, अगर आप पुख्ता अज़म के साथ आगे बढ़ें. नाउ कमिंग टू स्टेंजा नंबर 2, लुक देम ओवर द वाइज एंड ग्रेट. They take their food from a common plate, and similar knives and forks they use. With similar laces they tie their shoes. The world consider them brave and smart, but you have all they had with they had when they made their start. Now coming to stanza number 2, paraphrasing. Examine the wise and the great people. Examine, look them. Look them, look upon them, उनकी तरफ देखो. They are common people like others. They use the same common plates which you use. They do not use special knives and forks for eating food. There is no difference between the laces they tie their boots with and the laces used by you. The people admit their bravery and intelligence. These great people reach to the heights of success through the same equipments with which you are equipped with. Now coming to stanza number 3, you are triumph and come to skill. You can triumph and come to skill. You can be great if only you will. You are well equipped for what fight you choose. You have legs and arms and a brain to use. And the man who has risen great deeds to do began his life with no more than you. Now coming to paraphrasing of stanza number 3, you can get victory and learn a skill and can do something special if you have strong willpower. You have been blessed with all those equipments which are necessary for whatever profession you adopt. There is space between profession and you. Profession you adopt, जो पेशा आप इख्तियार करना चाहते हैं. ग्रेटनेस इज़ नॉट डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू टू अचीव. अज़मत हासिल करना, बड़ाई हासिल करना आपके लिए मुश्किल नहीं है. If you use your legs, arms and brain in a proper way, the person who has got success and has performed wonders began his life with things which has also been granted to you. Now coming to stanza number 4, you are the handicap you must face. You are the one who must choose your place. You must say where you want to go, how much you will study the truth to know. God has equipped you for life, but he lets you decide what you want to be. Paraphrasing, try to overcome the weaknesses which is a hurdle in your way to success. Hurdle means mushkil. You must choose a profession you are interested in. You are free to determine your career you want to make. It is your duty to know what is good and what is not good for you. God has provided you with everything. He has given you a brain to think and decide what profession will suit you. Coming to stanza number 5, Courage must come from the soul within. The man must furnish the will to win. So figure it out for yourself, my lad. You were born with all that the great have had. With your equipments, they all began. Get hold of yourself and say, I can. To achieve greatness, you must have a courageous heart. करेजियस हार्ट, हिम्मत रखने वाला दिल होना चाहिए अच्छी मंजिल हासिल करने के लिए या बड़ाई हासिल करने के लिए, अज़मत हासिल करने के लिए. यू मस्ट हैव अ करेजियस हार्ट, हिम्मत वाला, बहादुरी वाला दिल होना चाहिए. यू कैन विन ओनली इफ़ यू हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग विल पावर. My lad, you should understand that you have all those qualities which can be seen in the people who were really great. They started their journey toward greatness with those capabilities काबिलियत which God has bestowed upon you. bestowed अता की है, नवाजा है. Trust in your potentialities. ट्रस्ट, एतमाद रखो, पोटेंशियलिटीज़ अपनी पोशीदा काबिलियतों पर. एंड से दैट आई कैन डू वट एवर ग्रेट पीपल कैन डू और हैव डन. Now coming to activity, your activity is learn paraphrasing of unit number 9. Thank you.